Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Terry Melissa Kitchen. Today, I'll be cooking the best tasting chicken wings ever in my new Kalorik hair fryer. But first and foremost, wash your hands. Now, I'm going to be washing my chicken wings with a little bit of vinegar and lemon. You can use either one if you don't have both. And after washing my chicken, I'm just going to be drying them with paper towel just to get rid of the excess water. And now that it's all dried and ready to be seasoned, I'm going to be using some Cajun seasoning, some Himalayan salt, black pepper, celery salt, about a tablespoon of olive oil, some garlic powder, and now you just mix it in. I'm just gonna add a little bit more Cajun seasoning because I love my chicken wings hot. I'm just gonna mix it in and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna be brushing on some olive oil on the air fryer basket. You can use cooking spray or whatever oil you have. Now you're going to place the chicken wings on the air fryer baskets in singles. Try not to put them too close to each other because you want them to cook evenly. Now I'm going to let them cook for 15 minutes on one side. And after 15 minutes, you take it out and flip them on the other side. And leave them in for 10 more minutes. Look how juicy they look. Juicy. Look how juicy they look, guys. And now I'm going to repeat the process for the second batch. And while the flats are cooking, I'm gonna be making my sauce. I'm gonna be using some Himalayan salt, some lemon, some Polynesian barbecue pineapple sauce, some Grace hot pepper sauce, and some ketchup. I'm just gonna put everything in the bowl and mix them together. This is my recipe, you guys. Feel free to try it out and let me know how yours turned out in the comments below. Also, check the description box for the recipe and the instructions. Oh my goodness, you guys, it looks so good. I'm just gonna be adding it to the rest of the chicken. And now you just pour the sauce over it. You guys, make sure you shake, mix, however you do it to evenly combine the sauce with the chicken wings. Look how juicy these look, guys. And there you go, guys, the best tasting air fryer chicken wings. I just used some lemon and dry chives to garnish it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.